Hey guys, this is John over here at Shoals Outdoor Sports in beautiful Tuscumbia, Alabama. Now I've got a couple of these machines here. These are all the 1000 Premium, which is called the single overhead cam. These do have 61 horsepower. They tow 2,500 pounds. They can carry 1,000 pounds in the bed. They are very capable machines with 12 inches of ground clearance. Let me show you a couple different setups we've got. Let's dive in. So on the 1000 Premium, you're gonna get a couple of really cool features from the base model. You're gonna get LED headlights, you'll get some color choices like this one here. You're also gonna get an upgraded 26-inch tire on these lovely black aluminum wheels. On the 1000 Premium, you're gonna get this steel brush guard up front, as well as a Polaris synthetic 4,500 pound winch. That's a really nice feature as well. Now this machine also comes standard with a poly roof that's on top. And we've also added this rear bumper on here as well. Now coming forward a little bit more, nice thing about this feature machine is that you've got a wireless winch remote that controls that winch, but you've also got a hard button on the dash here as well. You've got switches to control your LED headlights, as well as the ability to tilt this steering wheel, and this seat is on a slider as well, so you can get it exactly how you like. It's also got the cut and sewn seats in here, which make it a little bit more durable and a little bit more finished off. All of these Rangers do come standard with Turf Mode, a one-wheel drive, a two-wheel drive, and a four-wheel drive system. Automatic transmission on here, which is updated for 2025. And they all are gonna come standard with this hydraulically assisted dump bed, where you can see your belt drive system, your air filter, everything's really easy to get to. We've also, coming around the back here, like I said, we did add this rear bumper, but every Ranger is gonna come standard with a 2-inch receiver hitch, so you can pop your hitch in there and go ahead and tow some trailers. So like I said, we've got a couple of these machines here, and we've done what we like to call a good, better, best with the accessories that we've set up. So this one is a little bit more of our traditional basic setup, where it comes with the roof and the front bumper and the winch and some of those things, but we've added the windows, and we added a little rear bumper to give you a little bit of extra protection as well. Coming forward on this one, same setup, rear bumper, windshields on here, but we've added this upper front bumper as well. And then our best setup over here, we've got all of that and more. So we've added thumper fabs side steps here, which give you a little bit of protection, but also give you a nice way to step up and get into the vehicle as well. And then also we've added this awesome Pro Box audio top. We've got built-in audio, Bluetooth right to your phone, with a little LED dome light, and it's got full LED lights all around this machine as well. Again, my name is John. We're here at Shoals Outdoor Sports in Tuscumbia, Alabama. Give us a call. Thank you so much.